Hello viewers, welcome back to gittechit, and today's video we are going to show how to download Microsoft Power BI from Microsoft official website. Now let's get started the downloading process. You can simply search Power BI, then press enter, then you can see the first website from Microsoft, the Power BI data visualization. You just click it from this link. This link will be given in the description. You just check it out. Now we are going to start the download process. You can see the select language is by default English, and we can click on the download. Then this is the window is coming, and we select this one, 64-bit. Okay, and just select my location for downloading the software. It's take few minutes time. Now this is the window that is open. Now it's going to be very easy process. Just click select the English language and click on the next, and next enter process. This is already our installing process is done and completed. Now we are going to click on the finish. Okay. Hello guys, you can see here this is our Power BI desktop application is already opened, and thank you for being with us. Have a good day.